I've been checking out the RBL Bank Insignia Preferred World Card, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of this premium credit card for 2025. I'll cover everything from its features to potential drawbacks, so by the end of this video, you'll know if this card deserves a spot in your wallet. Let's get into it. The RBL Bank Insignia Preferred World Card is designed for those who want luxury and convenience packed into their credit card experience. From exclusive rewards to premium travel benefits, this card aims to elevate your lifestyle spending. One of its standout features is the complimentary airport lounge access, both domestically and internationally, making your travel experience smoother and more comfortable. Frequent travelers will definitely appreciate this perk. You'll also earn accelerated reward points on every spend, especially on categories like dining, travel, and shopping. These points can be redeemed for a wide variety of gifts, vouchers, or even cashback, giving you flexibility in how you enjoy your rewards. Additionally, the card offers comprehensive insurance coverage, including travel accident insurance and purchase protection, adding that extra layer of security to your spending. However, keep in mind that the annual fee is on the higher side, and while the card offers premium benefits, it's best suited for those who spend frequently enough to truly maximize its value. Also, reward redemption options, while varied, may come with certain conditions or processing times. As for customer service, RBL Bank generally maintains a responsive support team, but some users have noted that premium services could be even more personalized at this level of offering. Overall, the RBL Bank Insignia Preferred World Card is a great pick if you're looking for a premium card with travel perks and lifestyle benefits in 2025. But as always, make sure to evaluate your spending habits and financial goals to see if this card truly aligns with your needs. That's it for this video. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give it a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.